What's up, my lovely people? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own t-shirt designs without the tech skill, beginner friendly, using Kittl AI boards. So the first thing you want to do is go to Etsy and find some bestseller designs. I have found the ones that I want to work with today in this video, and I uploaded them right here onto my Kittl. The next thing you want to do is create your first artboard. Okay, so I basically went through the process here, and this is what it's going to look like, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for this design here. So the first thing I did was create an artboard, of course. After that, I clicked this purple button here and made a new AI image board. So let's go ahead and do that for this one here. Actually, I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. I'm going to drag the image with the design on it onto the artboard. The first thing I'm going to do is click on the artboard itself, go to this purple circle here, click on AI image board. All right, now we have a new AI image board, and what I'm going to do is type in a simple prompt to basically remove the background, and I just want to have the design at the end. Okay, so and let's see how this generates. Now we have successfully removed everything from the background. Great, this is exactly what I wanted, except for these squares. I do not want that in the background because I know that is not transparent. So we need to remove that. Let's see what happens if we go ahead and select the artboard, convert it to an image so I can remove the background, and click remove background. And let's see if it removes everything properly. Okay, that's good. Except for there are a couple of pieces in here, but that's just me being picky. Okay, let's try this another way. I'm going to delete that, make another AI image board, make the background white. While we wait on that, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next design and do the same thing. Rinse and repeat. Click on the artboard, go over to the purple circle, AI image board. Okay, so it has now given me my white background. Let's see if when removing the background, it will take better. Let's go ahead and convert this to an image. There we go. Now let's go ahead and remove the background. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is stretch this out. Now, as I say in all of my videos, the idea of this is not to copy this. I'm not going to take this and make another golden, a golden doodle design that looks very similar to this. That's not what we're doing. We're trying to make spin-offs of this because clearly customers love something about this type of style design, right? So let's go ahead and create a new artboard. Add artboard. I'm going to go ahead and bring that down a bit. And I'm going to place my image without a background back onto a new artboard. There we go. Let's go ahead and zoom in and let's see what we can do with this. You want to go ahead and select the artboard, go over to the purple circle, click AI image board. And I want to create, let's say, make this a raccoon, because I know those are trendy. So make this a raccoon, keep the patriotic theme, and let's see what it generates. While we wait on that to generate, we're gonna see what we can create with this one. And I wanna create a whole different theme, honestly. So let's go ahead and test out summertime. Even though it is for 4th of July, we can spin this around completely and just do a whole different season. I'm gonna make this a summer theme because clearly people love something about the popsicles and the acrylic style that they are in. So what I'm going to say is something like, turn this into a summer strawberry, and let's see what that brings up. Now let's see if the other one generated our raccoon, and it came out perfect. So you can always change, so like the headpiece, you can change the flags to say, let's say stars or fireworks. So change the headpiece to patriotic popsicles or change them to hot dogs. So let's try that out. Change the headpiece from flags to stars. So you can change it little by little, just in case you're not a pro prompter. I'm not either, so we're in the same boat. That's fine. You can just change it piece by piece. Let's go ahead and check on our strawberry. So, oh, those came out really nice. I don't like the sticks though. So let's clean up the sticks. Make the popsicle sticks clean and change the bows to the color pink. That came out really good, actually. So you do not have to be a pro at this. You see what I just created, less than 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and go back down. And like I said, you can change it piece by piece. You don't have to change everything all together. And don't worry about the blurriness. We can always upscale it once we're done. So this one came out nice. Now it's a star headpiece. So you see the difference from this raccoon. It does have two tails though. So we can say remove one tail. But I am going to now go back to the base. And I want to... let's change this to, let's say, I'm just playing with this. So let's change to a mallard duck. But what I want to really stress to you, you do not have to be a professional designer. Kittl makes this like 10 times easier to create your own original designs. Okay, we do not have to copy to get ahead. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go ahead and check on the popsicles. Okay, the bows are like a suede, but that's okay. And they made the popsicle sticks clean. And that's exactly what I wanted. So now what I'm gonna do, let's say I wanna move forward with this design. I'm gonna click on the artboard, right? And the next thing I wanna do is upscale it because it is very blurry. So let's go ahead and upscale it, and I'm gonna remove the background after it has upscaled. So let's go ahead and come back down to our raccoon. Actually, it's the mallard duck. Oh, wow. Mallard Pride. They put that there on their own. But this one really came out nice. So I know no one on the market has this one here. So if you're looking for ideas, definitely hop on this one for sure. You saw how I created this one. And the thing about this, you can also create mock-ups on here as well. So it's like a one-stop shop. And let's go ahead and move on to the other design that I have. Okay. Kind of messed up a little bit on this one. Let's see if I can fix it. I think we may just leave it alone, but I still want to test it out. So let's just go ahead and work with what we have, right? So it removed the background for me. I'm going to click on this artboard again, right? And I'm going to click right here on this purple circle, go to AI image board. And I'm going to say, it's already like a spring theme. So let's do change to a summer theme. Let's say summer watermelon theme. And let's see how that one comes out. In the meantime, between time, I believe I have one more. Now this one is more of a 3D knit style. So let's go ahead and take this one and do the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and create another AI image board. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, rinse and repeat. Remove the background. Yes, and model. Only keep the design. Now let's go back up to our mama one and see what it did for us. Oh, that is beautiful. That is so cute. So it has the 3D acrylic paint aesthetic to it, the style, without having to have the graphic design background. Okay, we do not have to be pros. Let's go back up to the popsicle that was upscaled. So now that this has been upscaled, we can go ahead and remove the background, and we can apply this design to whatever we want to apply it to, whether it be a t-shirt design or maybe for a poster, or maybe it's for an invitation. Whatever your heart desires. It's quite simple. So we went from a patriotic popsicle design all the way to a strawberry summer themed popsicle themed design. I think I said theme twice, but it's okay. So this process is very simple, very easy to follow. And you would rinse and repeat with the upscale for all of these here. I really like that mallard duck one. That one's cute. Okay, so this will be the last one that we do. Now I'm gonna take this design and remove the background. And in order to do that, we're gonna convert it to an image first. Let's go ahead and remove the background. And now we're going to create a new artboard. Stretch that out a bit. So I don't wanna hear any excuses. of you all not being able to create designs, okay? It is simple as pie, especially with this Kittl AI tool. Now, I'm going to drag this over to my new artboard. Let's stretch it out just a bit. There we go. Now, what do I want to do with it? So, right now, we're in spring. The only thing I can think of right now is summer, honestly. Let's do Halloween. Let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit more. So we're gonna do another AI board. Make this I could say Halloween or fall, but let's say spooky. Spooky Halloween. The more you describe, the better. But a spooky Halloween themed. I'm gonna say turn this into, and let's see what it gives us. While we wait, I'm gonna try out something. I'm gonna turn this into a mock-up here. Place this design onto a backyard barbecue. Place the design on, not only on a male with a white shirt at a barbecue, at a backyard barbecue setting. And let's just see what happens. Now let's go ahead and check on the Halloween drinks. Oh my, look at this. This is so amazing. Look how good this looks. It's got the 3D yarn, everything, black little cute cats, a green apple, some, what are those called? Candy corn, bats, some witch's stew or witch's brew, a cute little drink with a little death sign. This is dope, okay? So if you're looking for a way to make some nice best-selling designs in a fraction amount of the time, you're not experienced in designing or putting together color palettes, all of that jazz, everything that goes into like creating designs from scratch, definitely check out Kittl, okay? You can check out the link in my description and try out for free. And if it's something that really gels with you, I have a 25% off discount code if you want to try out their pro plan as well. But let's go ahead and check on our mock-up. I might have to take that and use that for my own shop. All right, now let's check out our mock-up. Like, this is literally a one-shop stop. Like, you cannot get no better than this. They even have a bag of Lay's chips in the back. Wow. But yes, so we have our exact design. It says Mallard Pride, and it's mocked up on seems like a dad here. He could be a dad. You can literally take this and place this directly into whatever platform that you're selling on, whether it be Shopify, Etsy. So like I said before, if you're interested in trying out Kittl for free, definitely check out the link below in the description. And if you want to try out their pro plan, I have a 25% off discount in the description below. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.